Everybody, welcome to a brand new YouTube video. If you're new, my name is Tyler. Today we are trying peppermint popcorn. Hopefully it's delicious. I love peppermint popcorn, like peppermint flavors. I never had peppermint popcorn. It's got chocolate drizzle, Oreos, eggs, anything oil should be good, and Fruity Pebbles chocolate. I think it's white chocolate. I'm not too sure. And coconut water. I never had coconut water before or anything. So first we are trying the peppermint popcorn with the chocolate drizzle, if I can open it. Okay, it smells like popcorn with a little bit of peppermint. The peppermint smell ain't too strong. Can you guys see? Okay, with the little chocolate. This is delicious. The peppermint flavor is not too strong. It's just right. And it's salty and sweet at the same time, which I like it. Very good. Very, very good. Now the Oreo eggs, which I picked this up because I thought this was pretty cool. Any noise, it's my dogs in the background trying to jump on the couch. Okay, it's a blue tinfoil and the, silver. I couldn't think of what color this was for a minute. Yeah, I love Oreo cookies. And you guys see that? I almost dropped it, but I caught it. Have you guys, I know I said this before, but it seemed like every time in the videos, I either drop something, spill something, but hey, I don't know, I'm clumsy. But as I was saying, I never had Oreo chocolates before. Man, I can't believe I almost dropped it. The funny moment. That's pretty good. But I probably won't buy it again. Because I can taste the chocolate more than the Oreo flavor. Like the Oreo flavor is there, but it's very it's there, but it's not. It's like it's on for a vacation and you force it to come back, if that makes sense. Because it's not really there. Okay, now the Fruity Pebbles chocolate. I never seen this. I was in Walmart checking out. That's where I found this at. In the checkout line. Where I have, the candy. Ooh, and it's white chocolate. That's what it looks like. You can see it's got little X's on it. Little fruity Pebbles cereal in it. In the back, you can really see the Fruity Pebble cereal. I can taste the Fruity Pebble in it, like the cereal, but not the chocolate. Like the chocolate is there, but it's not all the way there. I was saying with the Fruity Pebble, like I can kind of taste the chocolate, but I can't really. It's more of a cereal, which makes sense because it's Fruity Pebble chocolate. And now we're gonna taste the coconut water. Like I said, I never had coconut water before. If you guys had it, let me know in the comments below and tell me what you like about it or anything. But I'll be back. I gotta get a cup so I can show you. We don't have a see-through cup, so I'm gonna have to buy one and stuff. So I didn't know that. Okay, the smell don't have smell to it. It's got chunks of coconut in it. Ooh, I spilled it. Maybe let me get a cup and let me try to dump it in it so you can see. Maybe that will help. Guys, I got a cup. Hopefully when I dump it in there, you guys can see. Like, I wish this was see-through, but, you know, I gotta go buy a cup. Look, hopefully you guys can see, which I don't think you can. But you can see him in the cup. Okay, I'm done. I keep spelling it. Okay, keep spelling it, y'all. Okay, that's not good. No, not good. Oh my gosh. I can see why this was only $1. Because it's gross. Yeah, that's not good at all. And yeah, if you ever had it, let me know, like I said, in the comments below. And let me know if anything I tasted today you have, or what's your favorite. And thank you for watching my YouTube video. And remember, you guys are amazing.